Hey everybody, what is going on? So today what I thought I would do is jump on and go over how to set up your managed SSL certificate in Brilliant Directories. All right. So basically with a website, you want to make sure that you have the security plugins or security HTTPS enabled. Okay. And what that means is when someone goes to HTTPS, not HTTP, but HTTPS, they're getting your secured site. They're not getting any errors, not getting any certificate errors. As a general rule, most web hosts are going to kind of set this up by default. I found it's very, very rare that I actually have to do this. Brilliant Directories actually makes you have to configure this or get the managed certificate. All right. Now, in a previous video that I did that's on our @Directory Websites channel, it could be actually at the Zero to Income channel, I walked through how to set up a manual SSL certificate. The challenge with a manual SSL certificate is that you have to configure that every like 90 days. And they actually recommend you do it every 60 days. And so every 90 days or every 60 days, you're having to go in there and redo the certificate, which is fine if you're on a budget and you don't want to spend money on an actual managed SSL certificate. All right. So Dana and I, we went, again, we're working with Canadian Vacations. And when we went, we got the VIP add-on package, okay? It gives us access to all of the add-ons for Brilliant Directories. Again, Dana is really good about reminding everybody of this, and that is get on Brilliant Directories email list, all right? If you want to sign up with our affiliate code, we are affiliates, and if you want to use the coupon code when you're ready to purchase, you'll get 30% off. Now, that being said, don't do it right away. All right. Get on their mail list, and their marketing department is going to be really, really good about sending you emails when they have specials. Okay. And this VIP add on package, they drop the price on that significantly. Oftentimes on their specials, okay, and wait for them to reach out to you and say, hey, we're running a special right now for the VIP add-on package. Now, you don't have to get all of them, but we do recommend, number one, either, again, setting up the manual SSL like I showed in the other video, or getting this, if you're going to get an add-on, getting this managed SSL add-on. It's like $10 a month regular price if you're paying monthly, and I think that if you pay yearly, it drops. It might be like $8. I don't know for sure. I'm just going by memory. But again, wait, and you can get that, by itself or through the add-on package. Okay. Now, that being said, what I wanted to do is we've got this add-on now. All right. We got it through the VIP add-on package. But the question is, how do we get it set up? How do we enable it? All right. And it's actually was pretty easy, but I want to show everybody how to do it. So let's pop over to our Brilliant Directories dashboard. And let's walk through enabling this Brilliant Directories managed SSL certificate. All right. So we're going to pop over, and when we do, we're in our main dashboard here. And the other thing I really want to point out here, and that is if you're coming in here to do something in your Brilliant Directories and you haven't been watching any YouTube videos on how to do it, they do have a help center. All right. And I'm going to actually open up this help center because our VIP or our managed SSL certificate is already active, and they have screenshots of what it looks like when it's not active. But you just literally click on the help center. In this case, I'm going to open it up in a new tab. Once that help center is opened, you can search for whatever it is that you're wanting to do. In our case, we're looking for managed SSL. Okay. And actually, we're going to go into, and it already popped up one right away, or you could have gone into documentation and done a search that way. But let's just click that open, and it's going to walk you through right here what you need to do. All right. So let's pop back over to our main dashboard here. What we need to do, and this is also in that documentation, is you want to go to settings down here on the left-hand navigation menu. Okay, hover over settings, and in settings, as you can see there, third one down is domain manager. All right, so you open up your domain manager. Once you're in domain manager, you have these 4 different tabs going across the top there. All right, we want to go into this SSL security tab. So you click into SSL security. Now notice here it says that the SSL certificate is enabled. All right. We already ran through this, and what you're seeing here over here on the far right is all good. Okay. So this is letting me know it's already enabled. We did what we needed to do to enable it. We're good to go. It's being managed by Brilliant Directories now because of that add-on that we've got. All right, now let's go back over to our documentation. This is basically showing us what I just showed all of you. Right here, though, instead of SSL certificate enabled, it's showing that it's install the SSL certificate. All right, so right now it has a couple of things up here that's saying it are good. But there's a couple others that are showing an alert sign here, and that's because you actually need to install this SL security. All right, so you would click on that, and you would click on continue. Okay, and literally, look at this. It takes 60 seconds. It takes like a minute. All right. Well, like, wow. Compared to a lot of things you're doing when you're in your DNS and doing, things on the backside, this is a relatively short time. But after that, it shows you that it's been installed. And then as you scroll down, here, let me get all these out of there. It's now showing all good. It's all showing that the certificate's been enabled. All right. So again, pretty quick and easy to enable that managed SSL certificate once you've got that VIP, or I'm sorry, once you have the actual plugin, whether it's purchased individually or part of that VIP add-on pack. All right, so just want to walk you through that because I was kind of wondering, okay, we've got it, now what, right? And this is the now what. You now have your SSL, your managed SSL certificate enabled. You're pretty much done. You don't ever have to do anything every 90 days. It's now going to be managed by Brilliant Directories. It's pretty much you've done it. You can forget it. All right. You should be good to go now. So want to walk you through how to do that. If you're really liking these videos, subscribe to the @Directory Websites YouTube channel. And that's it for today, everybody. Hope you're having an amazing day. Thanks for watching.